Hey there, welcome back to our channel, Beta Mood. Today's video is going to be an interesting one, as we will be discussing how to attract a woman who is not interested. It's not uncommon to be attracted to someone who doesn't reciprocate those feelings. It can be frustrating and discouraging, but it's not impossible to change her mind. So, let's dive in and see what you can do to attract a woman who is not interested. 1. Improve yourself. Improving yourself is one of the best things you can do when trying to attract a woman who's not interested. Work on your personal development, become a better version of yourself, and work on your confidence. When you're confident, happy, and fulfilled in your life, it shows and it's attractive to women. Take the time to invest in yourself. Read books, attend seminars, and work on developing new skills. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself, and the right person will come along when the time is right. 2. Build a connection. Building a connection with a woman takes time, but it's crucial to attracting her. Find common interests, hobbies, or experiences that you can bond over. Share stories about yourself and show vulnerability. When you're open and genuine, it helps to build trust and deepen your connection. 3. Be a good listener. Women love men who are good listeners. It's essential to listen actively and pay attention to what she's saying. Avoid interrupting her or talking over her. Give her the space to express herself, and show her that you value her opinion. When you're a good listener, it makes the other person feel heard and understood. It also shows that you're respectful and willing to take the time to understand her perspective. 4. Be respectful. Respect is essential when it comes to attracting a woman who's not interested. Be respectful of her boundaries and feelings, and never try to pressure or manipulate her into liking you. Treat her with kindness and respect, and she'll be more likely to see you in a positive light. 5. Show interest in her. One of the best ways to attract a woman who's not interested is to show genuine interest in her. Ask her questions about her life, what she enjoys doing, her hobbies, and passions. Show her that you're interested in getting to know her as a person and not just trying to win her over. When you show interest in someone, it makes them feel valued and appreciated. It also shows that you're a good listener and are willing to take the time to understand her. 6. Be yourself. The most important tip for attracting a woman who's not interested is to be yourself. Don't try to pretend to be someone you're not or put on a false person. Be authentic and genuine, and she'll appreciate you for who you are. Remember, you want someone who likes you for you, not for who you're pretending to be. In conclusion, attracting a woman who's not interested can be challenging, but it's not impossible. Evaluate your approach, be yourself, show interest in her, be a good listener, and improve yourself. Remember, if it's meant to be, it will happen, and if it's not, then move on and find someone who appreciates you for who you are. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.